What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at oil and balm combo from Ace Beard Co. So stay tuned. What's up guys? Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a company, Ace Beard Co. A little bit of backstory on Ace Beard Co. They started in January of this year, January 2019, by two veterans, Tyler and Chris. Tyler is a veteran of the Army and Chris is currently in the Marine Reserves. So thank you guys for your service, greatly appreciated. And today we're going to be talking about Ace of Hearts. Now, those guys over at Ace Beard Co., they had a giveaway. They had a giveaway on Instagram, and in order to be entered into the giveaway, you had to make a purchase. You had to buy a combo. So I looked through their selection and decided on Ace of Hearts. It sounded the best to me. I jumped on it and got the combo. Now, as you can tell from let's go into the oil first. It's in an amber glass dropper top bottle. This label is not oil water resistant. It feels it, but you can see a little bit of a smudge there. Their logo and then directions. This side we've got ingredients. All right, so it's a 1 ounce dropper top bottle, and the ingredients on this is jojoba oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, apricot kernel oil, and a blend of natural and essential oils. So there's that. Now the oil itself is a clear, I'm going to say a light to medium on the consistency of the oil. The balm comes in a black screw top tin, and ingredients on the balm: shea butter, beeswax, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, coconut oil, and a blend of natural and essential oils. And it's pretty hot out here today, but you can see it is kind of a yellowish. That's from the beeswax, and it is a very smooth consistency. It's I'm gonna give it the medium, light to medium hold on this balm. Also, what you get when you get the balm or combo is you get the balm comes in this little carry bag, and you get a little spade as a pick. Now with this balm, I don't know about their others, but with this balm you don't need it because it is pretty creamy. But you also get the little card, Ace Beard Co. oil and balms, with the owner's names and their website and email address, and then little saying on the back, beard, a man's makeup. All right, so there's that. Now let's talk about these products. Now, I have been using these for, and it's really hot. I got sweat running everywhere. I've been using these for about 2 weeks. This, according to their website, Ace of Hearts, is a sweet cologne scented classic barbershop scent. All right, straight out of bottle on the oil, I get that barbershop. I get a little bit of that cologne-esque, but I get more of the barbershop. This is probably my first barbershop scented beard oil, and I think that's why I picked Ace of Hearts. But with this oil, when you put it in hand and in beard, it takes it to a different level. Have you ever used a product? Have you ever used an oil or a balm that reminds you of something? It makes it reminiscent of something. This did that for me. This, when I put it, not in bottle, not even in hand, about 10 seconds after it goes in beard, the scent changes for me. It takes me back to a time and makes me remember my grandfather who passed away in '98. He went to an old school barber. He didn't wear cologne. I don't know if it was his aftershave. I don't know what it was, but this oil reminds me of him. I love it. This is top notch. I will keep a bottle of this. Now, one thing about this oil, the time of filming this, it is on sale for $6 for this 1 ounce bottle. I messaged Ace Beard Co., asked them how long the sale was going to be going. They said it was going to be going on for a while. So jump on it. Get Ace of Hearts in the oil. $6 for this bottle. All right, now the balm. The balm had a medium hold to it, light hold to it. I personally use this for testing, but then I wasn't a fan of using them together because in my opinion it kind of downplayed that scent that I got from the oil. So I quit using this and would use the oil by itself because of that scent that I got and that reminiscence that I got. I just didn't want to cover that up in any way. And this is a little bit, you get a little bit more of the carrier oils, and the carriers, you don't get so much of that Barbershop and that cologne scent. So to me, it just kind of covered it and masked it a little bit, and I just didn't like that. So nothing knocking their product, just the scent wasn't quite strong enough for me to really pair them together and wear them together. But I would highly recommend the Ace of Hearts and the oil because the scent is flat out amazing. The balm, on the other hand, not quite strong enough. If they could step the scent up and make it a touch stronger, that would be game with that and be able to wear them together. So definitely check out Ace Beard Co. Give them a look. Right now, I think at the time of filming this, the Ace of Hearts and the balm was sold out, but it is actually also on sale. The oil, again, was just top notch. And again, I can't recommend it enough. To me, it just brought back memories of my grandfather, and I absolutely loved it. And talking to the owners of Ace Beard Co., they have got some new products coming out. They are working on a women's line and working on some other products. So definitely give them a look. I will drop links in the description below for their website, their Instagram, and definitely go check them out and let them know the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. If you've got an oil or a balm or just a scent that reminds you of something, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to hear a different scent, a different story as to what something reminds people of. So make sure to drop that comment down there. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and smash that like button. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. Do this. If you haven't already, please consider